The internet, as we know it, is changing. Generative AI, it's not some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's really reshaping how we find information online. So, what are the most significant implications of this shift?
The biggest implication is a potential fundamental shift in how we interact with information. We're moving from, keyword searches to conversational queries, from just links to synthesized answers. That changes everything, right?
Certainly sounds disruptive. Are we talking about the end of the traditional search engine as we know it?
Not necessarily the end, but a profound evolution. Think of it like the transition from landlines to smartphones.
Yeah.
The core function is the same, but the experience is totally different.
So, this isn't just about getting answers faster, it's about a whole new paradigm.
Exactly. The focus shifts from, navigating a sea of links to getting directly synthesized answers that could really alter how we consume and process information.
Let's talk about Google's AI overviews. What makes them so revolutionary, and what are the potential pitfalls?
AI overviews give you synthesized answers based on real-time data, tackling complex queries in natural language. But the problem is, large language models can hallucinate, making stuff up. Keeping things accurate is a huge challenge.
So, the potential for misinformation is a serious concern?
Absolutely. Google's whole reputation is built on reliability. If AI overviews are constantly giving out wrong information, that would really damage their credibility. It's all about balancing speed and accuracy.
And how is Google tackling this challenge?
They're using human raters to check accuracy and using information from reliable sources to back things up. It's a constant process of refining and improving things, but it's a really complex problem, no easy answers.
Yeah, it sounds like a tricky balancing act. Google isn't the only one doing this. How do other companies like OpenAI and Perplexity approach generative search?
OpenAI put search into ChatGPT, using web data to improve its answers. Perplexity takes a more direct approach, creating articles synthesized from different sources. Both face similar problems with accuracy and copyright.
Right. And what about the concerns from publishers?
Publishers are worried, understandably, about zero-click searches, where users get answers straight from the search engine, skipping the original source. That threatens their income.
It's a big deal for the whole publishing industry. Looking ahead, what does the future of search look like in this AI-driven world?
The future will probably be a mix of traditional search and AI-powered synthesis. We'll still need to browse the web, but AI will play a much bigger role in filtering and showing information.
Will this lead to a more personalized search experience?
Definitely. AI can tailor results based on what people like in their past searches, creating a very personalized information ecosystem. That raises privacy concerns, though.
Privacy is a big thing in this rapidly changing field. The article mentioned going beyond text-based search. What are the possibilities there?
Imagine searching with images or videos. Google Lens already uses AI to identify things in images. In the future, AI could generate videos or other media based on search queries.
That's a really interesting idea. What are the technological hurdles?
The main hurdle is how complex it is to process and synthesize information across different formats. You need really sophisticated AI models that can understand and combine various data types.
Sounds like a huge technological leap. The article also talked about the agentic future. Can you explain that?
The agentic future is where AI agents proactively do tasks based on real-time data. Imagine an AI booking your travel or monitoring your home systems.
That sounds like science fiction, but it seems increasingly possible.
It's not science fiction anymore. The technology is improving rapidly, and using real-time data from the internet is speeding things up.
What are the ethical implications of that kind of future? The ethical implications of AI-powered search are huge. What are some of the key challenges?
Bias in AI models is a major concern. If the training data reflects existing biases in society, the AI will repeat those biases in its answers. Making sure it's fair and equitable is crucial.
And what about accountability?
Accountability is another big challenge. When an AI makes a mistake, who's responsible? We need clear lines of responsibility to prevent misuse and reduce harm.
These are complex issues that need careful thought. Given the potential for errors and biases, what role does human oversight play?
Human oversight is essential. AI can process tons of data quickly, but human judgment is still needed to ensure accuracy, fairness, and ethical considerations.
So it's not humans versus AI, but humans and AI working together.
Exactly. It's about using the strengths of both humans and AI to create a better and more responsible information ecosystem.
A collaborative approach seems essential. Let's go back to the concerns of publishers. Are there any solutions to lessen the impact of zero-click searches?
One solution is for search engines to create fair compensation models for publishers whose content is used in AI-generated responses. This could involve licensing or revenue sharing.
But what about other potential solutions?
Another approach is for publishers to create unique, high-value content that's hard for AI to copy. This could be in-depth analysis, original reporting, or interactive experiences.
Adapting to the changing landscape is key for publishers. The pace of technological advancement in this area is amazing. How quickly do you expect these changes to happen?
The changes are happening incredibly fast. We'll likely see major advancements in the next few years, with AI playing an even bigger role in how we access and interact with information. The rate of change is remarkable.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for your insights.